The search for peace is as old as humanity itself. It is a journey full of triumphs and setbacks, hurdles and successes. In the midst of what are perceived to be challenging times, a global event held in March 2024 will perhaps be remembered as one of the major milestones in the quest for peace.
So many people, so many seekers of truth and lover of peace from different tradition, different religion, different countries have come together here.
ये भी एक अपनी एक इबादत है, ये भी एक पूजा है जहाँ सारे लोग सारे धर्म इकट्ठे होंगे.
I have never experienced anything like this in my life, where spiritual leaders from every religion is over here.
When we come together at events like this, it's measurable.
We have to go within and experience, realize, and empower ourselves with that.
Don't wait for problems to end to be peaceful, because problems will never end. Find your peace.
Swami Vivekananda's historic speech at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago, 1893, served as a clarion call of religious unity and harmony. In November 2019, at an event in Mysore, Karnataka, Heartfulness Guide Taji expressed his wish for unity among all faiths and spiritual paths.
We are all family members, somehow helping each other, and we want to unite, integrate through love.
India has a long history of nurturing different spiritual paths. It has been the cradle of diverse approaches to the ultimate truth. In 2024, the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, proposed the idea of an event bringing all spiritual traditions and faiths of the world on one platform. It was to be called the Global Spirituality Mahotsav, and the theme of the event was From Inner Peace to World Peace.
భారతదేశం అంటే కల్చర్, సంస్కృతి, స్పిరిచువాలిటీ, ఆధ్యాత్మికత, ఇది మన భారతదేశం యొక్క సాఫ్ట్ పవర్. మన కల్చరు, మన స్పిరిచువల్ గైడెన్స్ ద్వారా యావత్ ప్రపంచాన్ని మనం ఈరోజు ప్రభావితం చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. భారతదేశంతో పాటు ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్నటువంటి స్పిరిచువల్ గురువులందరూ ఒక వేదికపైకి తీసుకొచ్చి మనశ్శాంతి నుంచి విశ్వశాంతి వైపు బాటలు వేయడం ద్వారా ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఒక సానుకూలమైనటువంటి వాతావరణాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేయాలి అనేదే ఈరోజు భారత ప్రభుత్వం యొక్క ఆకాంక్ష.
Taji offered to host the event at the International Heartfulness Center, Kanha Shantivanam, near Hyderabad, India. The 360 acres campus of Kanha Shantivanam met all the criteria for the Mahotsav, with its large assembly halls that have a capacity to seat 100,000 people. Modern conference halls and auditorium, large outdoor spaces for display areas, established dining facilities, and extensive accommodation options. Above all, a dedicated team of Heartfulness volunteers ready and eager to help with the organization of the event. Leading spiritual organizations also came together to form a core committee to help with the organization of the Mahotsav, which was slated from the 14th to 17th of March. The committee reached out to people and organizations from across the globe and received an enthusiastic response. The President and the Vice President of India also confirmed that they would attend the event.
और अब बहुत अच्छा समय है, जैसे प्रधानमंत्री ने कई बार कहा, यही समय, सही समय, भारत का अनमोल समय। इस समय हम एक वर्ल्ड को दिशा दिखा सकते हैं स्पिरिचुअल, और हमारे में वो इनबिल्ट ताकत है। इसलिए आज कोर कमेटी की बैठक में सब लोग आए, उनका सबका धन्यवाद, और बहुत बड़ा फंक्शन होने वाला है और आप सब इनवाइट हो इसको।
Many other paths that will come together during these 3 to 4 days of event. We'll be exchanging ideas how to bring about this individual peace, and how through this individual peace we can create harmony within the society. It will not be just academical, but a practical approach to how we can all come together.
The event would also feature art, dance, and music.
Music is the one element which can bring all of us together, because by nature, Sarigama Padani or Do Re Mi So Fa La Ti or A B C D E F G doesn't have any meaning. It is beyond meaning, it is beyond division, it is beyond all race and religion.
In the days leading up to the event, as Kanha Shantivanam geared up for the gathering, messages of support started to pour in.
Well, it cannot get better, because when you have so many great spiritual leaders and masters coming from all over, and there are various schools of meditation and so many practices, I think they'll expound their wisdom. I think it's a great opportunity for so many thousands of people who are going to attend this wonderful event.
And in just a few days, they're going to be hosting thousands of people who are all going to unite for global peace, and they all come from different faiths and organizations.
भारत सरकार के मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर द्वारा एक अमेजिंग इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया जा रहा है, जिसका नाम है ग्लोबल स्पिरिचुअलिटी महोत्सव.
It will offer a global stage for spiritual leaders across the world to share their wisdom. I know I'm going to be there.
And a lot of spiritual leaders from all across the world will be sharing their teaching and presenting their views on how to create positivity, peace and unity in the world.
I'm extremely happy that I'm going to be performing at the Global Spirituality Mahotsav happening on March 14th at the Kanha Shanti Vanam in Hyderabad. I'm really looking forward to this, because we'll be having some amazing spiritual leaders as part of the audience, and I'm looking forward to this performance.
By the 14th of March, over 500 spiritual leaders, special guests, and over 100,000 participants started to arrive in Kanha Shantivanam. The event began with a group meditation conducted by Daji.
Please start meditation.
People from all over the world sat in silence, coming together for peace.
That's all.
The meditation was followed by a musical program featuring the renowned singer Shankar Mahadevan, flautist Shashank Subramaniam, and violinist Kumaresh Rajagopalan.
I want to see the rhythm of the global spiritual Mahotsav. Everybody! जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पाविपस्थले गलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजंग तुंग मालिका डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्ड ताण्डवं तनोतु न शिवं शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि दगद्दगद्दगज्ज्वलल्ललाटमट्ट भावगे किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रथि प्रदक्षिणं मम Sir, play. I can't express how fortunate I am. I'm getting a chance to perform in this dais over here. Thank you, Daji. Thank you, wonderful audience. We should hear a loud round of applause for Daji for making this happen and the Ministry of Culture. Come on, let's hear it. I have never experienced anything like this in my life, where spiritual leaders from every religion is over here. मेरी एक दरख्वास्त है, अगर यहाँ पर जमे हुए 1,00,000 लोग सब मिलके मेरे साथ गाए तो मजा आएगा. मैं गाऊंगा, उसके बाद रिपीट कीजिए. ओके? Are you ready? आगो मत. Om Namah Shivaya. 1, 2, 3, 4. देखिए, अगर आप लोग ऐसे गाएंगे दाजी नहीं खुश होंगे. Om Namah Shivaya. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's what our old people used to do. We didn't have a monarchy or chieftain system, anything like that. We looked up at our elders because they've life experience and wisdom, and we sat in circles, and that's what we need to do more. This is what this to me is, with all the different people here at the Heartfulness Foundation, all sitting in circles, all sharing their views, and not saying that's bad or that's good. It's just accepting it and enjoying it. Everybody's got the right to speak, and we also have the right to listen as well. So it's amazing. I've loved it here.
On the 15th of March, the day began with yoga at 5:30 a.m.
Instruction will be very clear, and anything is not clear to you, you can always look at the monitor to correct yourself. Feet together towards the front of the mat. You inhale deeply, breathing is very important. On every step, make sure to breathe properly. Where you need to inhale, you need to inhale. Where you need to exhale, you need to exhale. You inhale deeply.
The yoga session was followed by a group meditation.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
The first plenary session of the event was held on the theme Inner Peace to World Peace and featured a host of renowned speakers and spiritual leaders.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for His Grace Sri Gaur Gopal Das Ji from the ISKCON.
We need a guide, we need a mentor, we need a spiritual teacher, we need a guru to help us find that nest under the dark sky of gloom and depression. And when you listen to such spiritual mentors, guides, such luminaries sitting here today, and you will be listening to so many in the next 2 or 3 days, listen to them, not to follow them. Otherwise, you will simply be a blind follower of another guru. Listen to them, not to follow them. Listen to them, not to listen to their voice. Listen to their voice so you can start listening to your own voice. If you cannot listen to your own voice, the whole spiritual path has been a big failure. For a lot of people in the world out there, the definition of peace is absence of problems. People think, oh, let all the problems go away and then I'll be peaceful. I say completely the opposite. First be peaceful, you'll be better off in dealing with your problems. Right. If you say, let the problems go away and be peaceful, today one problem will go away, tomorrow there'll be another one, guys. My health is better, there's a financial problem. My finances are better, there's a relationship problem. Relationship is better, there's a social problem. Social is better, there's a weather problem. Will there ever be an end? Don't wait for problems to end to be peaceful, because problems will never end. Find your peace.
And this is the best place and the best thought that our Kamlesh Bhai Patel has come up with and the government of India has come up with, that we need to empower ourselves with spirituality. And the day we are able to do that and increase our spiritual immunity, definitely we'll be able to rule the self and we'll be able to conquer the hearts of many. And this is our culture. This is the culture of India. It does not matter which religious background we come from, but our culture is that we need to empower ourselves with spiritual knowledge, with spiritual wisdom, and arise, enhance our internal powers, enhance that power of peace which is inside. Therefore, the great saints have said, peace is not outside, it is within. We have to go within and experience, realize, and empower ourselves with that. Om Shanti.
Nobody can assert this is only the right way of looking at God or the divinity. Each one of them is right, because it depends on the frame from which you see this. There is a phenomenon called Fitzgerald's contraction in relativity, which says a moving rod contracts along the line of its motion. A 10-foot rod can appear to be 4 foot or 3 foot or even 12 according to the frames of reference. Suppose you ask, which is the actual length of the rod? The answer is, each one of them is true, and the actuality which you are asking for cannot be found except beyond the frames of reference which condition you. This is an important thing to realize.
Social media tends to give a ride to your ego at times. And I wanted to get your understanding and take on this. How do you believe we can tackle this new day and age of technology? How can we tackle social media?
The driver who brought me here has been fasting now, ending for Easter and Good Friday. He said he's holding a 40 days fast, 1 meal a day. In the modern day and age today, when we are looking at a spiritual fast, I think a spiritual fast should be a fast from social media, a fast from smartphones, a fast from Google. And if we do all of that, probably God will come down and say, "It's okay, my son, please take it easy. I'm feeling heartbroken seeing your determination."
मुझको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में.
मंगलम ओंकार मंगलम वीर मंगलम महावीर मंगलम ओम मंगलम ओंकार मंगलम.
The next plenary session centered around the theme of spirituality in daily life.
वेदों में प्रार्थना है, द्यौः शांतिरंतरिक्ष गो शांति, पृथ्वी शांतिरापः शांति, ओखधयः शांति. हमारा यह पार्थिव शरीर, पांचभौतिक शरीर, इसमें भी पृथ्वी है, जल है, आपः शांति, पृथ्वी शांति, इसमें तेज है, वो तेज अग्नि वो शांत हो, वायु शांत हो, और हमारे भीतर आकाश भी है, वो भी शांत हो. ये पांचों महाभूत जब शांत होते हैं, हमारे ऋषियों के जीवन में, हमारे संतों के जीवन में हमने ये दर्शन किया है. उनके जीवन में जो शांति है, उसके चलते जहां शांति है व्यक्ति के जीवन में, उसका पूरा आसपास का जो वातावरण है उससे प्रभावित हुए बगैर रहेगा नहीं. गुजराती में हमारे यहाँ एक भजन है, और उस भजन की पहली पंक्ति है, बोले संत किसको कहते हैं? बोले शांति पमाड़े एने संत कहिए. क्या व्याख्या है सीधी सादी. जिसके पास बैठने से तुम्हें शांति का अनुभव हो, वही संत पुरुष है.
जैसे शरीर में आंख अपने आप पलक झपकती है, कान अपने आप सुनता है, मुंह में निवाला डालता है, अपने आप खाता है, उठे पैर अपने आप चलते हैं, ऑटोमेटिक. ऐसे ही बाहर जब कोई कर्म तू करता है, कहा ना स्पिरिचुअलिटी एट वर्क इन डेली लाइफ. डेली लाइफ में चाहे तू काम पर जा रहा है, चाहे तू जो है कहीं ऑफिस में जा रहा है, या कहीं किसी स्कूल कॉलेज में पढ़ने जा रहा है, या तू कुछ भी कर रहा है, वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग, एक्शन इन योर लाइफ is not by you, this is by your body, by the conscious inside, spirit, soul, energy, conscious. You are not the doer.
When we talk of peace, we do not talk about tolerance. We talk about respect, acceptance, but perhaps the word we've avoided today, the most important word, is love. We have to love one another. If you look at the essence of every faith, it is love.
All around the Kanha Shantivanam campus, organizations had set up various activities, stalls, information booths, and experience zones.
कैसे इश्क से सज गई राहें जब से देखी है तेरी निगाहें या खुदा मैं तो तेरा हो गया अल्लाह कैसे इश्क से सज गई राहें जब से देखी है तेरी निगाहें या खुदा मैं तो तेरा हो गया तू जो करम फरमाए जब से इंसान हो जाए मस्ताना हो के दीवाना हो के तुझ पल में छा जाए सांसे फिजा में तू है रूहे बयां में तू है हर इब्तिदा में हर इम्तिहा में हर एक नजरे बयां तू है लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन सबका मालिक है
In the afternoon, various panel discussions were held on the topics of deepening understanding of spirituality, spirituality and youth, nature and spirituality, spirituality at work, and spirituality for health. The evening session in the main meditation hall began with distinguished speakers addressing the audience.
एक कुम्हार था और वो मिट्टी से कुछ कुछ बना रहा था और देन बनाते बनाते आधा बनाने के बाद उसका मन चेंज हुआ और उसने इस मिट्टी को फिर से मिट्टी में मिला के नया कुछ बनाने लगा। तो मिट्टी ने उससे पूछा कुम्हार को कि तू पहले क्या बना रहा था, तू अब क्या बना रहा है। तो उसने आंसर दिया कि पहले मैं एक चिलम होती है जिसमें लोग कुछ डाल करके पीते हैं, वो बना रहा था, लेकिन मेरा मन बदल गया, अब मैं घड़ा बना रहा हूँ। तो उस मिट्टी ने बड़ा सुंदर जवाब दिया। मिट्टी कहती है उस कुम्हार से कि तेरा तो बस मन बदला पर मेरी तो पूरी लाइफ बदल गई, क्योंकि मैं अगर चिलम बनती तो खुद भी जलती और जो पीता उसको भी जलाती, पर अब घड़ा बनूंगी तो खुद भी ठंडी रहूंगी और पानी पीने वाले को भी ठंडक दूंगी।
We underestimate the power of family, and families can only be sustained if everyone comes together around a spiritual purpose, a family which prays together, stays together. And the Bhagavad Gita, the Srimad Bhagavad Puran, the Upanishads are all saying the same message so that we can come together, explore, experience, and excavate the deep spiritual ecstasy within. I'm very honored to be in the midst of spiritual powerhouses here who come from different traditions, but we are all aligned and united around the same purpose, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
If we want peace at the global level, we need to have peace at the micro level. And that is why world peace comes through peaceful pieces. When each piece is peaceful, that will ensure world peace.
The Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, arrived at Kanha Shantivanam and marked the occasion by planting a tree at the venue. She was then taken on a tour of a special display of paintings and installations showcasing India's spiritual journey.
बहुत बहुत स्वागत है राष्ट्रपति साहिब आपका।
What is the purpose of this meeting? Our goal is very clear: to bring about harmony within each community through individual peace, the global peace. There is no magical wand that can change the level of peace and global harmony in one stroke. Lord Krishna could not attain it. None of us can attain it alone. We all have to work together.
ज्यादा कुछ प्रवचन नहीं, सिर्फ एक सूत्र देना चाहता हूं। क्या सूत्र मालूम है? हम जो भी सुने ना, ठीक है, जो ग्रहण करने योग्य है वो स्वीकार किया। बाकी जितने भी पॉइजनस वर्ड है जो मेमोरी बनाते हैं, हमें एक सूत्र याद रखना है, इस कान से उस कान और इस चेहरे पर मुस्कान।
Today is a great day where Daji became so selfish. He became really selfish in expanding the horizon of the self from one to the whole world. To build a heartful and lovely world with peace to enjoy from within, and thus see the world a heaven on this earth.
Because Yuddha is not the way the whole world has seen. Yuddha is not the way. Yoga is the way. Meditation is the way. Peace is the way. War is not the way. And heartfulness is the way. If heart is full, you share. If heart is empty, what do? Create mess in the world. Let us practice this heartfulness. practice this India's spiritual, beautiful culture which makes us one, keeps us one. And this is the only way that there will be not only the global spirituality Mahotsav, our life also will become festival. Thank you.
थैंक यू स्वामी जी। अब मैं निवेदन करती हूँ राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी से कि वे हम सब ऑडियंस को संबोधन करें।
विभिन्न पंथों और संप्रदायों में आस्था रखने वाले लोगों के बीच मेल जोल और आपसी समझ बढ़ाने के उद्देश्य से आयोजित ये महोत्सव मानवता के कल्याण की दिशा में अत्यंत सराहनीय प्रयास है। यहाँ इतने पवित्र उद्देश्य के साथ लोग इतने बड़ी संख्या में एक साथ एकत्र हुए हैं, ये देखकर मुझे अपने देशवासियों की आध्यात्मिकता चेतना पर गर्व होता है।
Then followed a rousing musical performance featuring Leslie Lewis, Mangli, Surendra Malik, Shweta Mohan, Sumyojit Das, Sadhana Sargam, Dr. Yashoda Thakur, Iman Chakraborty, Sanjay Joshi, and more.
असत्य न बोले, जीव हाथ की असत्य न बोले,
परधन न बझाले हाथ रे।
राधे राधे गोविंदो जय जय, राधे राधे गोविंदो जय करे अशोक
So after that mesmerizing performance, we have something more scintillating in store for you. Please hold your breath for the projection mapping.
Welcome to the Global Spirituality Mahotsav 2024.
Another highlight of the day was a special projection mapping display on the spiritual history of India, prepared specially for the event by acclaimed filmmaker Mani Shankar. It was an immersive experience that used the screens, walls, and roof of the meditation hall to project stunning visuals.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం బాగున్నారా అందరూ सबको नमस्कार मैं हूँ आप मंगली थैंक यू सो मच आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्लोबल स्पिरिचुअलिटी महोत्सव माय heartfelt gratitude to Kamlesh Sri Kamlesh Daji ji for this divine initiative. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thus concluded an eventful day at the Global Spirituality Mahotsav 2024.
ఎండికొండాలు ఏలేటోడా అట్ట పట్టుకో శంకరుడా చోలే పట్టుకొని తిరిగేటోడా జగాలను గాస జంగముడా కంఠాన గరళాన్ని దాసినోడా కట్టి చూపుతో సృష్టిని నడిపెట్టోడా ఆది అంతాలు లేనివాడా అండ పిండ బ్రహ్మాండాలు
what I can see, it's probably the one of a kind thing where so many people from all over the world are coming together, including everybody from here, just for that same reason. So you see how much the world is connected when it comes to the heart. And I think that to actually perform for so many people who are only there for the heart, that is very hard to come by. So I think this is really, really special.
Exhale, दोनों हाथ equal extension. Exhale, go down into Trikonasana. Top hand straight.
On the 16th of March, the day began at 5:30 a.m., again with yoga, followed by meditation.
पीठ की हड्डी जमीन से ऊपर, कंधे के ऊपर आ जाए. And then
During the event, various organizations shared yoga and meditation techniques, including Transcendental Meditation, Brahma Kumaris, Art of Living, Isha Yoga, and Heartfulness, among others. The first plenary session of the day was organized around the theme Confluence of Pathways.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
मैं सबसे पहले आपको सलाम करता हूं, अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। हमने आपको सलाम किया, इसका मायना यह है कि ईश्वर आपको सलामत रखे। हमने दुआ दी, आपने कहा वालेकुम अस्सलाम, ईश्वर आपको भी सलामत रखे। आपने हमें दुआ दी। इन्हीं दुआओं के साथ हम इस प्रोग्राम को शुरू करते हैं। रमजान का पवित्र महीना चल रहा है। जब मुझे ये बात मालूम हुई कि मुझे इस प्रोग्राम में आना है, तो बड़ा सोच समझा। चूंकि रमजान के महीने में कहीं निकलना नहीं होता है, इबादतें होती हैं, बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारियां होती हैं, लेकिन हमने सोचा कि ये भी एक अपनी एक इबादत है, ये भी एक पूजा है जहां सारे लोग, सारे धर्म इकट्ठे होंगे। हमारे सबकी जातियां जरूर अलग हो सकती हैं, हमारे सबके धर्म जरूर अलग हो सकते हैं, पूजा पद्धति उपासना जरूर अलग हो सकती है, हमारे धर्म जरूर अलग हो सकते हैं सबके, लेकिन हमारा जो सबसे बड़ा धर्म है इंसान और इंसानियत का है।
और इस दुनिया में एक्सटर्नल अशांति होती रहेगी, आप रोक नहीं सकते। 8 अरब लोग हैं साहब, और 8 अरब लोगों के रिचुअल्स अलग हैं, 8 अरब लोगों के संस्कृति अलग हैं, 8 अरब लोगों के जन्म और पालन करने की दिशाएं अलग हैं। तो आप उनसे समानता का कोई बहुत ज्यादा अपेक्षा नहीं कर सकते। इसलिए मैं आज धन्यवाद देता हूं धाजी को, जिन्होंने रिलीजियस नहीं बल्कि स्पिरिचुअलिटी, आध्यात्म के ऊपर ये रखा है कि अगर व्यक्ति आध्यात्मिक हो तो अंतर से शांत होगा और वो शांति पूरे विश्व में प्रकाशित होगी। कि इनर पीस आप ले आओ, वर्ल्ड पीस अपने आप आ जाएगी। सूर्य आ जाएगा तो प्रकाश को अलग से लाने की जरूरत नहीं है। इनर पीस जिनके भीतर में आ गई तो फिर ये वर्ल्ड पीस उसका परिणाम है।
There is not just one type of fruit, one type of people, one type of animal on this planet. So let us not confine the spirit to a uniform. Let us enjoy the diversity in creation by honoring, respecting, and loving them all. We tolerate only that which we don't love. The time has come to love each other's religions as one's own.
I sincerely appeal that all of you, please, before you leave this place, don't treat this conference another seminar conference. Oh, that Guru said this, Guru said these things, said this. No, take it seriously. The world is going in a very dangerous way. You have to choose spirituality or you choose global suicide. The world is going through a very dangerous time. I want, therefore, all those people who have gathered here, take a vow. From today onward, you are a messenger of peace.
A special panel discussion on the topic Being and Becoming featured Kabir Bedi, Shikhar Kapoor, and was moderated by Kamya Jani of Curly Tales.
If you're a seeker, if you search for the values that matter to you, and if you make that process of life one of love, compassion, and kindness, that is the road to spirituality.
There is nothing more innocent than a child. There is nothing more spiritual than innocence. And the only thing I would say to children, please don't grow up.
बड़ा समागम करने के लिए कम से कम भी 3-4 महीने की प्रिपरेशन है। जो बहनें हमें भाई इतने प्यार से रोटी खिला रहे हैं, चावल खिला रहे हैं, पानी पिला रहे हैं, एक जोरदार ताड़ी हो उनके लिए सर।
At the start of the evening session, distinguished speakers addressed the audience.
The world is a dome. Whatever we say re-echoes and comes back to us. It's karma. If you want to find generosity, be generous. If you want to find kindness, be kind. Whatever you bring to the world, sooner or later, will circle back and return to you. But we have to be careful when we cultivate our garden of deeds, not to take pride in our deeds. May it be that the left hand doesn't know what the right hand has given.
I remember His Holiness the Dalai Lama, whenever he visits within India, abroad India, one question comes from the experts, particularly educationists, social activists. Where are we going wrong? The world peace is going down. Where are we going wrong? And His Holiness, without any second thought, would say that because of the limitation in our modern education system. Our modern education system is designed in such a way that whosoever can say 2 + 5 = 7, you are applauded. Whereas even if you have the potential to become the second Mahatma Gandhi, but if you say 2 + 5 = 7-ish, you fail. Nobody will count your heart.
The Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar ji, arrived at the venue along with the Honorable Governor of Telangana.
So many sisters and brothers sitting here, enjoying whatever may be the time, enjoying the spiritualism, So our honorable, our saint Vivekananda ji, before going to Chicago, he gave a speech at Secunderabad. We all very proud about that. Then after landing, he came to Rameshwaram. So when he came to Rameshwaram, all of the friends and people surrounded him and asked, Swami Vivekananda ji, before going to other countries, he used to tell, I love this country. Now you have gone to other countries. You have seen the tall buildings, clean roads, developmental activities, and now you say you love this country. Vivekananda ji said, after visiting other countries, I worship this country. He told, I worship this country.
I would summarize the main points of the Great Assembly of Spirituality in 2 points, one theoretical and one practical. Theoretical is to explore the nature of ultimate reality. And there is nowhere, anywhere in the world more than in India in terms of seekers of truth, seekers of higher reality, seekers of ultimate reality. And they have done that in the inward direction. We are familiar with West meets East, where the West looks in the outward direction, in the objective world, whereas in this part of the world, in this great land of the Veda, the investigation, the research has been inwards. And the findings today, which used to be thought separate, are actually converging. Because even as objectivity looks very deep into the nature of objects, it has found that objects are made out of fields, ultimately from the atom to elementary particles to fields of energy that have been more and more unified, looking now at a unified field, which is there is only one field in nature that manifests itself into multiple fields.
I am here for the last 3 days. Before that, we had a 3 meeting, and from the 3 days, I am experiencing tsunami of love, tsunami of peace, tsunami of happiness, tsunami of world unity.
जोरदार तालियों से प्लीज वेलकम भारत के उपराष्ट्रपति श्री जगदीप धनखड़ जी.
Let us strive to inculcate spirituality into every facet of our life, fostering a society that cherishes inner peace, wisdom, and self-realization. As we depart from this sacred space, may our words be as soothing as a cool breeze, bringing comfort and peace to all. When you get into the spiritual groove, you will master this art. You will have a deep sense of empathy for others. In the process, you will be in a different state of mind, ever ready to contribute for larger humanity.
The day concluded with a special music and dance program featuring Paramita Maitra, Pandit S. Shekhar, Sudha Raghuraman, Bikram Ghosh, among others.
The essence of spiritual traditions in all faith, all traditions, it comes down to one core thing, and that is when we start learning to take care of the human heart. कि ख्यालों का भी ख्याल रखना ही अध्यात्म है. Even the thought that comes to your heart, that should be taken care of. और अजमेर दरगाह शरीफ में हमें यही सिखाया जाता है बचपन से भी, दैट ख्यालों का भी ख्याल रखें. गरीब नवाज का पैगाम यही है कि टेक केयर ऑफ द ह्यूमन हार्ट.
The 17th of March was the concluding day of the event. The Kanha Shantivanam kitchen team prepared packed meals for all participants leaving by train or bus.
I would suggest that we have two hearts, what this research shows, the physical and what I call the energetic heart, which has been called the spiritual heart in so many religious traditions and philosophies. This just suggests, no, that's real, right? And the energetic heart is that bridge. It's what connects the larger part of ourself, our soul, our spirit. It translates that down into the physical world of earth in our bodies. It's how we really connect with our larger self, our higher self, is through the energetic heart. That's the real us. And as we learn to become more heart coherent, it opens that pathway. So in other words, becoming more heart coherent really can facilitate anything we do and any practice we want to take.
एक हल्का सा बादल बन जाए, 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 तेरी हवा मिलते ही उड़ जाए, तेरी हवा मिलते ही उड़ जाए.
Join with your soul so that your life can face any shock point and do it with dignity and compassion and holy strength and holy faith. Thank you.
A concluding heartfulness meditation session was conducted, in which the Honorable Vice President also took part.
That's all.
This brought the event to a close. It was a landmark spiritual celebration that saw over 300 organizations, over 500 spiritual leaders, and over 100,000 participants coming together and reaffirming their commitment to peace. The relationships nurtured here will continue to blossom in the future. The overwhelming feeling was that this was just the beginning, a turning point for all of humanity to move from inner peace to world peace.
ना तीरथ में ना मूरत में ना एकांत निवास में ना मंदिर में ना मस्जिद में ना कबे कैलाश में मैं तो तेरे पास में रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में।